Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
I need this hot tea. I didn't check the weather before going out today. I didn't dress for the weather at all. It was really cold. My hands are so frozen. But let's go right into today's cooking. I'm going to show you the first process and I'm going to go rest, then come back to finish up cooking. The best thing is to just do this ahead of time. Don't wait till the day you want to make your jollof rice before you make your pepper mixture. So I'll always do it this way, especially for this period. There will be lots of cooking and all of that, so this is the best way. So I have my pots. It's quite big. I bought this also from XOXO Club, the store I was just coming from now, and I'll be using 6 of these peppers. Yeah, that's a lot. I know, you guys, I know. But once I have it in my freezer, I'm free. I can wake up any day and say I want to cook jollof rice. So I'm gonna just grab a scissors now. Let me drop this here. If you're just watching and you're not familiar with my YouTube channel or with this pepper, if you don't live in Halifax or Canada where you can get this pepper, this is basically just bell peppers, like the regular bell peppers we all know, and it's diced and frozen. So the beauty of this is you don't have to go through the stress of taking out the seeds and all of that. All has been done and it's washed clean. So for me to start cooking, I like to defrost it first because of course it will have lots of water and you don't need that water in your food because it will make your food cook quickly. You're going to spend much time trying to dry up the water. So I usually defrost it by boiling and then sieve out the water. But I don't throw the water away. The water I use for something else. You can use the water to cook. So let me position this very well.
say Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand you let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
So it's the next day and our pepper mixture for jollof rice is ready. As you can see, look at the consistency. This is fully cooked because I cooked it on low heat for about 6 hours yesterday, and I left it on the stove all night and all day to cool off so we can portion it and put it in the freezer.